YouTube fam?
It's Keeping with the Griffins.
And Mother's Day 17.
Today we are participating in the Joy Bells Ringing collaboration, making edible Christmas tree cookies.
This collab is part of the holiday edition of the HAPI collaboration. And HAPI stands for?
Holiday Party Island.
So there's a lot of other content creators participating in this collab, and we will be making edible Christmas tree ornaments or non-edible ornaments. Make sure you check the description box to see who all's listed and go check out their contribution to this Joy Bells Ringing HAPI collaboration. Before we get into our contribution to it, we want to welcome you back to the channel, and if you're new,
you know what to do. Subscribe, click that bell, dang, dang, like, and comment on our videos down below.
we will be happy to have you as a part of our Keeping Up with the Griffin family. Now, what we are going to do, we're going to use this. We're not doing
no homemade from scratch.
We don't got the energy to do that this time. So we just got this cookie dough, sugar cookies, and we're gonna make them into edible ornaments.
And if y'all have not tried this brand of sugar cookies, what y'all doing? It's good.
Yeah, what you doing? What you doing? It's Pillsbury.
Get into it.
It's Pillsbury. You know it's good.
Ooh, Pillsbury.
What?
Pillsbury. I thought you had
What is it called?
Pillsbury.
What is it called?
Pillsbury.
Huh?
Pillsbury.
Pillsbury.
She said Pillsbury.
Pillsbury.
Oh.
So what we are using for this collaboration cookies, we are using 4 different kind of sprinkles. We have the green, red, and white. We have the red and the green and red. And also these are our cookie cutters shape ornaments. You have the star, the ornament, the tree, the snowman,
And the stocking.
and what is this one? Tree?
Mistletoe.
No,
Leaf.
the mistletoe. Something.
That's what we using for this. I'm excited. Y'all excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we're gonna get started. So
I can't wait.
we're gonna pull it out.
I like when it shows that. The spoon and that.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Ooh.
So this is the cookies. 24 in there. So you can get 2.
It might be hard to roll it
What we're gonna do is put them on the baking pan.
up. And
Mash them down.
Mash it down.
And then once it comes out, we're gonna put them in the oven. And then when it comes out, we're gonna cut them with the cookie cutters and let it cool off.
Okay, JT, do you think you have enough dough?
Which ornament you using?
That's not enough though.
Got enough? You sure you got enough? You might need one more.
So instead of 2, we're gonna do 3. Okay. Okay, roll it and space it out so it won't be too close because it's gonna spray on our bacon. Okay. So I'm just gonna do the snowman.
Our cookies turning out good.
Yeah, I think they'll come out pretty good. I think this way will be a little bit better.
Yeah.
So once we pull them out of the oven, we can just go ahead and cut them, and then it'll cool to the shape.
And then we're gonna eat it.
Yes, I think that's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's your turn.
So, I don't even know which one I'm gonna use. Might use the star.
Of course, you use a star.
Use the star.
sticky, isn't it?
Yep.
It's too much sticky.
So,
You know what? I think we forgot to spray this pan down, but it might be alright.
yeah, it
We
should be
forgot
fine.
to put spray paint on it.
I'm just gonna do some extra ones so we can. How much ornaments we got? 6?
Yes.
6.
How do we use all of them?
I'm gonna put this in.
Yeah, this is real sticky.
Real sticky.
Okay, so
Really sticky.
These cookies look so good already. These like the best sugar cookies, y'all.
Yep. Alright, so we got 6 on there. And you want to make sure your oven is set to 375. And I don't know how long they got to bake in there.
Baking takes at least 10 to 14 minutes.
10 to 14
Oh, I
minutes.
didn't know that was right there.
So,
10 to 14 minutes or until light golden brown, cool 2 minutes. Okay. Alright, so we got a little while.
yeah, this is our leftovers. So we'll probably use these
Ooh,
later.
Look, y'all.
Alright, so far, it looks like this. They look good.
I think Christmas spirit is in my mind.
Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put some sprinkles on them.
Alright, so they already kind of cooled off. So we're just gonna take our cookie cutters and start cutting. Alright, so this is what the finished product looks like. The ornament, the snowman, the tree, and the star. Now we're gonna go hang them on our tree.
This is a very tedious job right here, guys. Okay, who's next?
Me.
You got it? Make sure it's on there good. There you go. Alright, Joe. Put lines. There you go. Okay. And the last one. Oops.
Star. You're kind of running out of space. I'm just gonna stick them right here. For right now. So these are our edible Christmas tree. Oh, well, that didn't last. It's our edible Christmas tree ornaments.
That we made.
That didn't work out either.
Well, it did its job.
Yeah,
have the tree.
Christmas tree still holding up. The snowman,
The snowman is barely making it.
I think he about to be next.
Then we have, where is that one? We have the ornament. So.
Alright, so that was our edible Christmas tree ornament activity.
It was fun.
My star didn't quite make it, but that's
Really?
alright. The rest still holding up. We had fun doing it. Thank you to WTF with the Family Tabers for inviting us to participate in another happy collaboration. And y'all remember to check the description box to check out all the other families participating in this collab. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe.
Click that bell, dang, dang. Be happy to do that.
We'll see y'all on the next video.
Bye.